What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I have something very special for you. You know that we've been getting into the hi-fi game, introducing those really beautiful Focal speakers, as well as the Rotel and Michi high-end amplification. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Michi X3. This is an integrated amplifier. So what that means is, like you've seen in our other videos with like the P5 and the M8 mono blocks, those are separate. So you got a separate amplifier and a separate processor. In this situation, it's all in one box. A little bit easier, a little bit lower wattage output though. We're talking about 200 watts per channel, 8 ohms, and 350 per watt, 4 ohms driven. So we're gonna get into unboxing this guy and just showing it off. I just want you guys to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are interested in 2-channel audio, to give us more motivation to keep putting these videos out. If you would like to purchase this product or anything 2-channel or home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed, as well as an extensive preferred installer network that we are building up throughout the country. All right, guys, smash that subscribe button down below. Let's get this party started. All right, guys, so this is the X3 model. If you're looking at integrated amplifiers, stereo amplifiers, the X5 is another option that Michi provides. You're still going to get those crazy awesome DACs and really clean Class A/B power, but just at a higher wattage output. We're going to be focusing today on the X3. I did want to mention though that we do have the X5 available, as well as everything that Michi and Rotel have to offer. All right, enough talking about it. Let's open this up. Got some pretty heavy duty packing tape over here, sealing it up. I do want you guys to know that we pride ourselves on the products that we sell and have a really awesome relationship with all of the manufacturers. So you will get that full manufacturer warranty when purchasing from Dreamedia. And use our design service, guys, our free consultations. Our audio video consultants would love the opportunity to earn your business and discuss your exact setup and find something that fits your style, as well as your budget. All right. Yeah, this 2-channel industry has been a whole new game for us here at Dreamedia. You know that home theater has really been our specialty, but we have had a large number of requests from clients about 2-channel, so we decided to dive into it. We put out a series of videos where I flew up the guys, that home theater dude, and we had Kellen in the house, and we ended up going up to a client's home and setting up some of these higher end Sopras and Cantas from Focal, as well as the Michi setups, to give you guys a little inspiration and really just dive deep into 2-channel. But I don't think it really requires me to say a lot about this manufacturer. It's really well known in the hi-fi world. And they've been around for ages. Top quality products here. So whatever you buy from Dreamedia, not only is everything going to come double boxed, but you're also going to have peace of mind to know that we insure all of our packages. If anything happens, we're going to get you a new one out right away. Check out our reputation online. We really pride ourselves on our customer service and our work. Everything's 5-star rated. We do not allow our clients to go unhappy. Woo! Yeah, I mean, I'm 6 foot tall, guys. Look at how big this box is. And this is just the integrated. It's gonna be perfect for most stereo setups in the entry to mid-level range. Okay, so congratulations on your Michi purchase. you are now part of the family. Their heritage is over 55 years old. Like I was saying, they've been at this a long time, and there's some real legends behind this manufacturer. Which is why we kind of dove deep into it, you know? We're on a mission to deliver the best audio experience and video experience to our clients, and this brand fits the bill. All right, here we go. We got the remote control here. It's really sleek and super clean. Let me grab a light for you guys so that you can see it in a little bit more detail here. Pretty simple, but I love how clean, sexy the remote is. And then battery is included. They got a little wrench to take the back cover off. Very industrial feeling. So that's the remote. And over here, we got some other accessories before we actually get to the main product itself. Power cord. Sorry about the lack of light, guys. This is down in my basement. You got a normal Ethernet cable, just to hardwire it into the network. This has all the goodies that you would expect. Got a computer cord. And that's about it from the accessories here. Throw these back in. Actually, I'll plug it in so that you guys can actually see the front interface. I think that's one of the coolest things about this product is the front interface is like digital, so you're getting, but it's like old school. You're getting like old school and new school mixed together. It's pretty cool. All right. Check it out. Got a nice velvet case. Oh man, this thing is heavy. Woo! This thing is gorgeous. Look at that, guys. Absolutely stunning. Take you up close. It's got a face cover on it. This is the front of the unit. Again, this is everything you need. This is amplification and processing, all built into one. All right, guys, before we actually check out the back of this unit, I do want to mention something that you can't see on the outside of this product just by unboxing it. But these do have toroidal transformers, and the X3 has one. And then the X5 has an oversized, two oversized toroidal amplifiers. And then this unit is going to be basically the more entry-level model. Like stated earlier, really great performance to value. But if you're wanting something more comparable to like their P5 and their S5, which is their separates, you're going to want to look, and you still want integrated, you're going to want to look at that X5, which I'll do a separate unboxing video of that. But let's go ahead and spin it around and check out the back of this unit, guys. All right, guys, here's the back of the unit. Sorry for the lack of light. Again, I'm down in my basement. You got your ground right there. You got the phono right there, CD, tuner, aux. You got your mono, sub out, pre-out, balanced input left and right, Bluetooth antenna. You got digital inputs, 3 of them on the analog and the digital side. And then you got network, PC, USB, remote triggers, RS-232, you got your power toggle there. And then look at these massive speaker terminals. Really no expense spared here. This is high quality stuff, guys. MSRP on this is $5 grand, and you know we got that nationwide free shipping and low price guaranteed. can see they show you that 4 ohms is the minimum. You're gonna either run this on 4 ohm or 8 ohm. It's a beast. Alright guys, and now I'm gonna show you the interface whenever you turn the unit on. If you haven't seen our other videos that we did at the Rocky Mountain Hi-Fi Expo, you gotta check it out. We did some serious equipment stacks with the mono blocks and the separates. As you can see, it has a very clean, just modern visual appearance, and I'll have to say, in a stack, it looks super clean. Or even just imagine, you know, if you're using this, you know, as your only source, you could set this right on top of your entertainment console and it's not gonna look horrible. All right, YouTube, that is a wrap on the Michi X3 integrated amplifier unboxing video. You gotta subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got tons of inspiration coming your way. We're reviewing, unboxing, doing demos, showing you in-person customer situations where we set them up in clients' homes. So just a variety of content to help you guys make an educated buying decision and give you some inspiration. If you would like to purchase this product, don't hesitate to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. We are authorized to sell everything that we have available. We are an authorized dealer for interconnect cables, video displays, whether it's projection or TV, speakers, pretty much anything that you need to complete your system. We have something that fits your budget, we promise. All right, guys, well, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.